Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you how to swap faces by using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting time. Now you can see this page on my screen. You can access this by clicking on the link in my description box. And after you will click that, you will land on this page. First you need to have a Discord account. Then you need to click on this plus icon. It says add a server. Then click on create my account. Then click on for me and my friends. Add your server name. I'll name it swap face and then click on create. Now you have to invite a bot to this server to do the face swapping for you. And to do that, just paste this link here in your address bar. By the way, the link is in the description box. You can copy it from there. Then click enter. Here you need to select your server. In my case, the server is already selected. I'll click on continue. Click on authorize. Verify you are a human. Now in simple terms, you have to save different faces into the system. That will be used for face replacement. First of all, write here /save ID. Now upload your image here. I have uploaded Mr. Bean's image. I'll type his name here. I'll type Bean. You need to remember this name. Then click enter. Okay, so it has saved the image. Now to swap faces, I'll type /swap ID. I'll again upload the image. This time I'll upload John Cena's image. And I'll type Bean's name here because I want to swap face with him. Then click enter. Okay, so it has swapped the face. Now click on the image. Now right click and from here click on save image. I'll save the image. This is how you can swap faces using AI. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.